Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Capital A Trading. It's me again, your host, Ads. Just a quick video explaining one of the trades that was called in last Sunday's video on the pound USD. So it's going to be a little case study of what actually happened, how it played out, what you could have done to make it a profitable situation for yourself. So again, let's take a look at what I was saying last week. Okay, guys, I'm going to start on the pound USD this week. I actually called a good trade on this last week, Sunday. It was from here. It had the drop. So just going on it now, okay, what the overall thought is that I still expect price to come to this 136 level before it then goes to the 140,500 level. So just looking at it now, if I come down a time frame, a trade that I want you all guys to watch out for this week is in this area around the 139 level. I like the way price has shot out of this area. It's left a little gap. I believe that's where price is coming to, and then we're going to get the big push down to my to the 136 mark. So watch this, monitor this area, see how it plays out. I'm just going to mark it up for you now. So what I'm doing is just putting a line on the bottom of this blue candle. I'm going to put a line roughly halfway of the candle, and that gives me my selling area. So what I'm looking at now is 139,300 to 139. There's a 30 pip range for us to watch price. I'm going to watch what it does in there, and I want to see certain things. I want to see price struggling. I want to see it move the way I am familiar with, and then I'll be possibly taking a trade in that area. So again, keep an eye on that 139 mark. Okay, guys, so that was Sunday afternoon. That was what I mentioned. So this is the picture that we had. Now I want to explain how it would work for you, how you'd actually catch the trade, how you'd make some money from the opportunity. So as I mentioned, Tuesday morning, I like to trade them times, the London session. So Monday starts and we get the push towards that area. So price is now getting towards that 139 mark that I mentioned. It's now in the area where we want to sell from. But for the next 4, 8, 12, around 24 hours now, it sits in that area. It just sits there going up and down, not really moving anywhere. The London session's on approach opening around 8 o'clock in the morning. So this candle actually formed at 6. It's a 4-hour candle, so it would have been till 10. So in that time, the London session's opened and it started to drop down. We're starting to see that move from the dollar, and it's starting to get stronger at that 139 level. So what you could have done with, let's say, a £100, £150 risk, around about 0.50 lot size. And this is what we would do. So let's say the price has now dropped around 200 pips. This is what we could have seen from the trade, £787 in a week. Now, just watch how it plays out, okay? So this was Tuesday morning. You're starting to see some small profits. So you would have been at this point in about, I think it's about 50, 60 pips profit at that stage. So at that very start of the trade, you've just entered the trade. It started to go your way. You're seeing £236 in profit. It then maximizes to 200, where we get the 787 mark. So as you can see throughout the week, as I just moved through now, price comes down, has a little bit of movement up again, continues coming down before eventually reaching that target that I mentioned in the trading video that was released on Sunday. I still want to see price come to this 136 level. I still want to see it interact with this piece of price action that's been left over here. So that's what I'm going to be looking out for in my Sunday video. I'll be mentioning what I want to see happen there, the price numbers and all sorts. So again, make sure you catch that tomorrow, where I'll be releasing my latest trades, and hopefully we can catch another opportunity like this. That's the pound USD. I'll see you all tomorrow.